everyone, I am Vidya. Welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. Today we are going to speak about organic farming. As you know, organic farming is not new concept in India. So let's see what is organic farming in India and how it is carried out. Organic farming is not a new concept in India, as Indian farmers have traditionally tilled their land without the use of chemicals, relying majorly on the organic residues including compost and cow dung. Organic farming involves the integration of natural elements such as soil, water, microbes, and waste products, forestry, and agriculture. It is the ideal method for sustainable use of natural resources that are coming under the severe stress due to the increasing requirement of food and feedstock for agriculture based industry. It is also in the line with the sustainable development goal that aims to end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. Indian organic farmers will be able to create their place in global agriculture trade with greater awareness and capacity building in compliance with the international standard. India ranks first in the number of organic farmers, ninth in the term of area under organic farming. Sikkim has become the first state in the world to become fully organic. Other states, including Uttarakhand and Tirupura, have also set similar sustainability targets. Northeast India has traditionally been organic, and the consumption of chemicals is far less than the rest of the country. The tribal and the island territories are also been encouraged to make forward their organic methods. Advantages of organic farming: high nutrition value. Organic food products contain very high nutritional content because they do not contain modified ingredients compared to the conventional agricultural food products. Another factor that makes them highly nutrition is that they are given time to develop and are provided with the best natural condition for growth. The vitamins and minerals content of organic food products is always high as the soil life and the health offers the most suitable mechanism for crops to assess soil nutrients. Better taste. Apart from nutrition, the minerals and sugar structure in organic foods are tasty because the crops are given more time to develop and mature. The use of natural and environmentally friendly agriculture production technique is revealed to be the reason for the better taste in organic food products. It is commonly reported that the taste of organic vegetables and fruits are of higher quality compared to those of conventionally grown. Improved human health. Organic produce offer the safest products for human consumption compared to any other. Disadvantage of organic farming: diminished productivity in long term. The contemporary world agriculture production goal is superior productivity. While organic farming promises improved and healthier produce, it only beneficial in the short term as the massive inputs such as machinery and the chemicals are out of the picture. By contrast, over the long term, the productivity advantages diminish. As the soil health and fertility declines over the time in organic farming, so does the yields, and this happens when the soil reaches the point where it can no longer convert the existing humus into soil fertility. Time consuming. It requires a lot of commitment, patience, and uphill struggle to effectively grow crops organically. Organic farming needs a high amount of interaction between a farmer and his crop or livestock, whether it is ensuring the crops are pest and disease free in an organic way or the use of natural methods to control weeds or raising animals in an organic way. The process is highly time consuming. Skills. More skills are needed to farm organically compared to the mechanical and chemical agriculture. This is greatly associated with the fact that the definitive aspects of organic farming maintains the use of natural inputs and close observation of the production process. Organic farmers lack the convenience of using mechanized or chemical technique to fix every problem. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, Please like the video, comment below and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video update. You can also follow me on Instagram. Till then, bye friends, see you in the next video.